Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete in-depth, step-by-step walkthrough of my project lecture management system, which is built using the MERN Stack. If you're currently learning the MERN Stack or you want to explore full stack development on a deeper level, then trust me, this series is definitely going to be a game changer for you. The main purpose of this entire walkthrough is not just to make you copy code, but to help you understand the logic behind the code, the reasoning behind the system design, and the actual purpose of every single feature in the project. I'll be explaining all those things that most tutorials skip, but in real-world projects, they matter a lot. So, let's begin right from the very start. Project overview. Let's begin by understanding what the lecture management system actually does. This system mainly focuses on automating lecture scheduling and timetable management for universities, colleges, and institutes. In most institutes, timetables are created manually, which takes a lot of time, leads to mistakes, and often results in clashes. To solve this problem, this LMS system was developed. It analyzes the data and automatically generates a timetable based on teachers, subjects, rooms, and available timings. And the most interesting part is that this entire system is built on the MERN Stack. MongoDB for the database Express.js, for the server React.js for the frontend, Node.js for the backend logic. This means you'll get real, practical experience with full stack development in a real-world environment.